Hello and welcome to another video in our Single Application and Maps Help and Guidance series. In this video we will be looking specifically at making changes to your single application using the interactive mapping system. As you can see, the single application consists of four main steps. We have scheme selection, questions, land details for basic payment scheme and environmental farming scheme, and finally we have the confirmation screen. If you wish to contact the department for assistance, then click here. You will enter the details of your query and contact information. A contact telephone number is required, and you must also provide a description of the problem you are experiencing. Then click on the Send Message button. Once the details have been submitted successfully, please allow 2 to 3 working days for a reply. In the land details screen, you can amend the fields you wish to claim for, using the map facility to make various different types of changes. When you make this type of change, the summary data table and feed data table in your application will automatically update. Remember, you do not have to complete your single application in one visit. You can access your online application as many times as you need to during the application period. Scroll down through the welcome page until we reach the bottom, where the Launch Map and Apply Now options sit. Here we have the Launch Map option, where you can go straight to your map and immediately make map changes. Remember, however, that you cannot submit your single application until you have completed all steps. If you wish to complete steps 1 and 2 before working on the map, then click on this Apply Now button. In this guidance video, we will be using the Launch Map facility to make map changes. Please see the department's Completing Your Single Application Help and Guidance video to assist you in completing and submitting your single application. Our first step here is to click on the I Want To option. Now choose the Make a Change option. From the drop-down button, you will see a list of things that you can do using the interactive map. From the list of change types, we shall select the Change a Feature and select Next to continue. In order to locate the field that you wish to amend the feature within, you can use the Search Field button, the Field Information table, or explore the map and then click the field on the map to select it. A small circle will appear inside the field, and a message will appear on the left-hand side of the screen to let you know that the field has been selected. Remember to check and read the messages that appear on this side of the screen. Select Next to move on to the next step. Now we shall select the feature we would like to change on the map. Make sure that you click on the actual feature that is to be changed. The small circle will then appear inside the feature. To proceed, we shall select Next. Now I shall select the date the change occurred on the ground. Remember that the reduction or removal of a feature with a change date in the current scheme year will not be applied to your map, as land must be eligible for the full scheme year. There are two options available to you. Redraw Area is used to redraw the feature from scratch. Adjust Area allows us to make small changes to the existing shape, and this is the option that I shall select in this example. The adjustment tools now appear on the selected feature. In order to adjust the area of the feature, simply click and drag the grey pins into the correct position. Do not adjust the white pins. As you can see, by dragging or putting the grey pins, the feature area is being reduced. To move the grey pins, simply hold the left mouse button down and drag. Carefully pull the pin in the direction you wish to go, and as you can see, the feature is reducing in size. If you do not wish to move the grey pins around the feature, you also have the option to click the right mouse button and delete the grey pins. And continue in this fashion until you have adjusted the area to your satisfaction. When you have adjusted the area to your requirement, click on Next to proceed. The system will provide you with the details of the new area, and when complete, simply click the Next button to confirm the changes. The feature change has been successful and the area to be removed is highlighted in blue. Click Finish Edits to complete the action. The second part of our video deals with the redrawing a feature option. Just as we have done previously, we shall select the correct field and the correct feature. Select the correct date of change and click on the Redraw Area button to proceed. Click Next. I shall now redraw the feature on the map, and the area that I specify will replace the existing feature with a new one. So I have started to redraw the feature. I am carefully drawing out the new feature area. Using single mouse clicks to carry out the drawing. When the new drawing has been completed, double-click the mouse button to finish. This is the completed drawing of the new area of feature. Select Next. The newly drawn feature will be highlighted in blue and the changes are provided here. The system has provided us with the details of the new area, and now that we are complete, we can click the Next button to confirm the edit. The feature has now been changed, so we can click Finish Edits to complete the action. Our final task is to submit the farmer notified change to the department in order to have the change validated. So from the I want to menu options, we shall select the Submit FNC Changes to DARA. We are now submitting our map changes to DARA map editors for validation processing. Once that is done, the department will consider the map changes and provide us with accurate field areas and MEAs via the area record form. Finally, you should note that there is a separate video in this help and guidance series which deals specifically with using the Farmer Notified Changes option.